Come on, Mama, say something.
Oh, you're recording? Are you recording?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy, not to record when Mommy hasn't fixed herself yet. Oh.
Jackson, this is your mommy all fixed up.
You still got that hiccup. This isn't working. Dad, I can touch my nose. Oh, maybe not. Touch my nose. I don't want to touch my nose, Mom. I don't want to touch my nose. It's the only time I'll put your feet in my mouth. That's cute. Aw. Daddy, I got the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. You got playing that other video.
I know.
Say hi, Daddy. Hey, Daddy, what's up? What up? Poor Jackson. Oh, bless you.
Yeah, it looks like a tough life.
Well, he gets the hiccups for such an extended period of time. That's tough.
It's okay. Building ab muscles.
We're going to exercise. 1, 2, 2. Yeah, that's so much fun.
Hey, Jackson. Hey, Jackson.
Uh-oh. Starting to get antsy.
Oh.
Tickle, tickle. Here you go.
Show those kicking. Look at the kicking.
Let me show everybody how I kicked Mommy in the belly when I was inside. I kicked her like this. That's how I kicked her. I kicked and I kicked and I kicked. Right? He's getting chunkier. His legs are getting chunkier.
Mm-hmm.
His feet aren't, but his legs are.
You should. He eats
I know.
every 2 hours.
Yeah. Have you noticed? Look at it.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
That's good. That's good, Jackson. Oh. Jackson. Aww. Hey, handsome. Hi, handsome.
Okay, say goodbye.
Say bye-bye. Later. Say peace out, like your sister does.
Not that. That's the...
What does Maya do? What does Maya do? Doesn't she say... Doesn't she do the peace sign? Yeah. We think it's silly, too.